Here we are at the old watering hole, which we don't even know the name of it. We don't even know the name of this.
Gold Mine Brook.
Gold Mine Brook. Don't tell all your friends, it's the coolest place. We want it to stay that way. Haha. Anyway, we'll see how far we can get because my knee and hip are not good and I can't breathe. But here I am. Look at that white hair. I have my pack. Yeah, it's not hot, luckily. I have mosquito hats. Look at that white hair. I have coffee, water, a peanut butter and jelly, a mango, and my bug spray, and mosquito hats, and rain ponchos. So I'm hoping that it will be okay for us. I have these for shoes. Which I think will be okay. Wait, look where it is. Look at. This is a really long thing. We only went up it halfway and it's not even a real park. It doesn't even have a name or a sign. We found it by accident and I can't really breathe, so let's see. I've just been in really bad shape lately. But nature always gives me back my energy. Okay, who wants to dive in? Who wants to jump into that? There's so many waterfalls here. Here's another one. It's like a giant gorge. Here's another one up there. I think. Yeah, see? Yeah. I should not be breathing heavily on video because that sounds so lame. Okay, where else? Look at that. Whoopsie. I think I'm gonna have to stop and get a drink. We've been hiking for 1 minute and we are already taking a break. I'm getting drink and Ed is getting.
This is your frosty bag. I think you got somewhere else.
And Ed is getting the bug spray. Oh, it might be in the pocket in the front.
Alright.
Where it's easy to grab it, maybe. I don't know.
Okay.
Waterfall.
I'm just gonna stitch everything together so I'm not bothering.
Waterfall. I just put it on I put it on pause.
Well, I'm just saying I don't even bother.
Now he's gonna take the bag.
It's an oil.
No, it's not. I'll put it on you if you want. You just want it on your hair.
Alright, I'll let you do it.
Ready, 1, 2, go. Whoops.
Don't go crazy.
I don't even know if it repels gnats.
I'm not worried about gnats.
Yum. What'd you say?
Don't be a nudge, be a mensch.
Ed's carrying all of that. I have Ed's bag now. His man bag. Ooh, look at that. Check that out. It goes on the opposite shoulder that you had your other bag on. It's weird. Check that out. What? Yeah, maybe that's why no one wanted it. I don't even know where I got the bag from. Because it feels very across your chest.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, that's really pretty.
The foins. Ouch. See, my feet are not having it. But anyway, this is the first. Oh, this isn't the place where you go under the waterfall. think I'm going to be quiet and just smell this place. Yeah, but I came here the first time without Greg.
Right, of course.
This is where we can't take the kids because they could fall.
We got to be careful.
I wouldn't bring them. I wouldn't want to be responsible for them walking across this tiny cliff. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, we have to stop to try the
Huh? See? Gotta make sure the ground doesn't give way. Whoa! Why are you running? You tripped?
This soap in that little thing right there before the cow.
Where? Oh yeah, that. You're gonna bring shorts? But this is not safe right here. See?
Let's be careful.
That's why I can't bring the kids. And then there's this tiny little path, see? I'm not bringing a 5-year-old to a little cliff.
What?
I'm not bringing a 5 and a 7-year-old to a place with a little cliff.
My dad will.
Because your dad's a psycho. Well, they're not my kids, so there's that. The bugs are like being really annoying. Ugh. Ed wants to swim in there. I wonder how many people ever think of it. And then there's the waterfall down there. This is our favorite place ever. I've never seen any place like it. Well, I need to put on bug stuff, so bye. We're up higher now. I was way down there. Now we got some new situations. There's this one, and then there's this one over here, and then there's something up here going. But look at this situation. Right under a tree. God, people suck sometimes. Anyway. Gotta keep going. I guess basically we're climbing up a mountain.
And that's the big tall water fountain right there, the big rocks over there. That's the tall one.
There's the top of the waterfall that I was standing under.
These are just small ones.
Yeah.
You can probably see a little water right there.
It's very hard to climb this for someone out of shape.
It's very steep, that's how I know. I don't know if you're up for this. I don't know if I'm up for it.
Yeah, I'm breathing really hard.
Yeah, I mean, we can go over these rocks so we can like look up there. You know, we're basically just climbing big boulders, basically. And then there's this hill.
I think we need to go up the hill and see what we see.
All right.
Onward and upward.